Hey guys, today we're making one of my favorite comfort foods, a chili millet bake. Now it's gonna remind you of those chili cornbread casseroles you used to eat as a kid, or is that just me? But this version is way healthier and way tastier with a vegetarian chili base and a rich and creamy millet topping. So let's get cooking.
First, the spice blend. We've got chili powder, dried oregano, raw cacao powder, cinnamon, and cumin. Tons of flavor there. Now we're going to saute onions, carrots, and celery in an oven-proof skillet. I'm using my cast iron skillet here. And then add zucchini and garlic. Just cook until the vegetables are softened. Now for some tomato paste and that spice mix, which we want to saute just for a few minutes to really bloom the spices and bring out their flavors. Now I have a can of diced tomatoes, some water, and a can of drained pinto beans. Season it well with salt and pepper, and that's it. Just stir this all up, and then we're gonna bring it to a simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes until the vegetables are tender and all of the flavors have mingled together. Finish it off with some fresh lime juice, a little more salt and pepper as always, and this part is done. So about that millet topping, we're gonna cook millet in boiling water until all of the water is absorbed. Finish it with some butter and some shredded cheddar cheese. If you haven't tried millet, it is a super delicious whole grain that's really good for you with a corn-like nutty flavor. Perfect with chili. We're gonna spoon this on top of the chili and then just spread it out into an even layer and then sprinkle on some more cheese. Yes, please. Now this goes into the oven and just bake it until it is bubbling and warm. Spoon it into bowls and then top it with your favorite chili fixings. It is the ultimate comfort food and it happens to be really good for you. Grab the recipe at From Scratch Fast and remember, please subscribe. Thanks guys.